Okay, we're recording right now. So, probably gonna lag like heck. That's usually what happens. So we're playing the colony and
Survival,
survival of the fittest.
survival apocalypse. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. We're all so tired. I should mention that too. So if you hear like moments of silence, that's just us being tired.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat a pizza.
I want that pizza. Give me the pizza. I want the pizza.
Eat it all. I'm eating it all, and I'm getting fat.
I hate you so much. I want that pizza. Don't you know my name? It's Pizza Yoshi 14.
My pizza.
No.
Then I can go get some pizza in real life.
Close the freaking door already. Jeez.
There's there's everything in here. There's blueberries, strawberries, grapes.
There's more things up here. There's like pumpkins. There's seeds down there. There's let's see what we got up here. Nothing up here.
Oops.
There's nothing up there. What do I do with wires and circuit boards?
Apparently, I ate a small bush stump.
Blueberries. I need my blueberries. Put the
Oh,
blueberries down. Everything will be okay.
I just ate all the food, and I'm not fat. How does that work? What the fudge?
Wow, how do pumpkins make your thirst go up? You like suck the pumpkin juice out of them, like I don't remember pumpkins having pumpkin juice. Let me just say that now.
I just committed murder.
Did you die?
No, I murdered someone.
I know. Did you die?
No, they died.
Okay. The sun looks weird because the clouds are like all meshy and stuff.
I gotta run. I gotta run.
Well, you better run.
There's
What
a
you gonna
runner.
do? What you gonna do when they come for you, bad boys? Is it getting darker? No, that's just my freaking windshield. I don't know. I'm gonna run over some zombies if I can actually get there. Can I put this into extra gear? No. Okay. Come on, runner. See if you can outrun this car. Stop running around in circles. Yeah, can't outrun that, eh? Oh shit, he's getting inside. Oh shit.
Fudge.
Oh crap. Okay, I almost died. Actually, no, I was pretty safe and I killed it. What do you get for killing the zombies anyways? What role do they play? Oh, I guess this is the whole...
Game.
I guess they're the whole thing that started this, huh?
By the way, that was me murdering another man.
Yeah, I know. I heard your gunfire. And I was like...
I'm running towards that ship.
And I was like... Oh my gosh, I wonder what Max is doing. And then I heard the gunshots, and then I realized, oh, that Max, he's just killing people.
Funny thing is, it's the same guy because I stole all his food and ran.
Oh, a survival pack. That's gonna help. Maybe. Possibly.
I'm gonna go murder people.
That sounds like fun. You do
It's
that,
late night. It's time for a little Freddy action.
Freddy
I need some
action.
fun.
I'm just looting all these ammo packs. Oh, I'm out. I'm out of it. Holy crap, I just noticed my inventory just got a lot bigger. I'm putting all these ammo
Crap.
packs down. Oh,
So
I'm getting all this from my rifle. Yep, all of it's going to my rifle. My rifle is the most lethal weapon a man can have. And that man is me. I am Rifle Man. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. What's that theme song to again? Answer me. I see a small flare in the distance. And two people talking. I was gonna say chatting, that's why I said totting. It sounded like I had no tooth. Totting. Totting. Mommy, those guys are talking. I mean totting. I can't even do that right. Pitiful. Sweet. No pistol. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording now.